Good evening, everyone. Here we are starting a new series for revision of important name reactions mostly asked in board exam. So, when we talk about the name reactions, the first reaction which comes in my mind is iodoform. Iodoform reaction is also sometimes called as haloform reaction. Iodoform is actually a pale yellow crystal compound which appeared like this shown in diagram. So let's start with iodoform reaction. The reaction in between ethanol, propanol 2, propanone or any other methyl ketone with a base like NaOH, KOH or Na2CO3 in presence of iodine forms a pale yellow crystals of iodoform. This reaction is called as iodoform reaction. This is a unique property of methyl ketones. So you must remember this methyl ketone. And when we talk about ethanol, this is the only alcohol, primary alcohol, which can show this test positive. You can learn this reaction easily by using the molecular weight of ethanol, which is 46, and here is 4, there is 6. So the balance reaction is C2H5OH plus 4I2 plus 6NaOH. Along with heat, it produces iodoform. And another side product which is also very important here, this is sodium salt of fatty acid with reduced carbon. I repeat, sodium salt of fatty acid with reduced number of carbon atoms. Like in this compound we have taken 2 carbons. So in this there will be only 1 carbon. So this compound is sodium methanoate along with some side product like salt and water. Here we can have another example, that is ethanol, the only aldehyde which show this test positive, and there also the same kind of observation we obtained. It form pale yellow crystals of iodoform as well as sodium salt of fatty acid with reduced number of carbon atoms. Okay, we can have another good example. This is acetone. Actually, iodoform reaction is best shown for all methyl ketones. And when we talk about methyl ketones, there is a compulsion of having one methyl group satisfied on one valency of carbonyl group. So this COCH3 that has to be present to show this, and there should not be any possibility of having resonance in it. There is another important question asked in theory, that why acetic acid do not show iodoform test. So dear friends, when this acetic acid ionizes, although it ionizes to form acetate ion, but CH3CO is said to be absent. The reason is because this resonance makes the pi bond delocalized, and that's why the pi bond electron density is found to be absent. That means we can draw a resonating structure in between these two, and in case of acetate ion they are found to be present in having partial double bond character on the both side with some partial charges on both oxygen atom. So because of resonance, acetic acid, in spite of having COCH3 group, is not capable to show positive iodoform test. So what we understood here? We understood that all those methyl ketones are capable to form iodoform. Acetaldehyde is the only aldehyde. Ethanol is the only primary alcohol which show positive iodoform test. Now we go for the next example. What I have told you in the general meaning, we can write this. So can you imagine there is a compound known as pentanone 2 and another compound known as pentanone 3. In the first compound, which is called pentanone 2, and in the later compound, which is called pentanone 3, COCH3 group is found to be present only in pentanone 2. So this will show positive iodoform test, and pentanone 3 will not form any yellow color crystal of iodoform due to the lack of methyl ketone group. So dear students, here are few questions which should be answered by you as a practice. First one is acetophenone. We can draw this structure. First of all, we will draw this COCH3. Whenever you are going to form products of iodoform, you must spot this COCH3 group. If it is present, just break it down in terms of sodium salt of corresponding acid. So what we do, here we write sodium salt of acid and iodoform along with some side products like NaI and H2O. Clear? So can you answer this? Pentanone 3. Since when we draw this pentanone 3, it will not show iodoform due to the absence of COCH3 group. When we talk about pentanone 2, there is the presence of COCH3, and again we are going to break it out. 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon we will draw. On the first carbon we draw double bond O, and in place of CH3 we will write ONA with the loss of CHI3 and side products. Can you imagine this structure propanol? So propanol is like this, having 3 carbon with 1 aldehyde group, and this will also not show iodoform test because of again absence of COCH3 group. So iodoform test is a test to confirm the presence of COCH3 group. Am I clear? This is very important. Let's move to the memorable points what we have concluded in this video. The first one is ethanol is the only primary alcohol showing iodoform test. Only primary alcohol. All methyl ketones show positive iodoform test. Alkanol 2 means when we have this this type of structure. The reason is because when we use iodine, it is a mild oxidizing agent and oxidize it into respective C double bond O compounds, aldehyde or ketone, and that's why they all are being converted into such compound having methyl ketone structure. I2 can also be, I2 and NaOH can also be replaced with sodium hypoiodide. Ki and NaI sometimes also used as reagent, but with the presence of some oxidizing agent which oxidizes Ki or NaI into I2. And here the last and the most important one, if we replace this I2 with X2, this reaction will be called as haloform reaction. There are some practice questions for you. These are very important questions. You must practice it, and if you have any problem, you can ask to me directly in comment box. So very soon we will come together to discuss another equation, another reaction.